I'm going to take a minute out to fix our free flashlight here. That one bank of the LEDs is out. First I thought shorted LED, but no, it's actually a poor solder connection on the switch right there. It's right there at the tip of my finger. Although there's enough solder to complete the circuit to the other bank of LEDs, for some reason it doesn't make it over to that row right there. So we'll touch that up with some solder, and that one right there. Always something. Seems the amount of heat I applied has ruined the switch, because now we only have the one. This side's out completely. The switch. Okay, it's repaired. Something as simple as this. The cladding was broken, so I jumped across, bridged across it better. You can see there's enough solder there. But in doing so earlier, this pin on the switch backed out from the plastic melting, and all I did is heat this. Not taking that spring-loaded switch apart, I just heated it up and pushed it back in. So we're back, one, off, on. Alright, that's it for the flashlight.